Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today, I want to teach you how to multiply fractions and whole numbers. Watch me as I read this story. How much tomato juice is needed for a group of 4 people if each person get 1/3 cup of juice? How much tomato juice is needed if they each get 2/3 cup of juice? So for this problem, I'm going to solve the first part. How much tomato juice is needed for a group of 4 people if they each get 1/3 cup of juice? I'm going to solve it using an equation. So this is a multiplication problem. 4, which is the 4 people, and they're each getting 1/3 cup of juice. So 4 times 1/3 is equal to 4 times 1 over 3, which is equal to 4 over 3. So as we know, this is an improper fraction. And when we have an improper fraction, we want to turn it into a mixed number. So we know that 3 tells me the entire whole. So if there were 3/3 in here or a whole in here, it would be 3/3 plus 1/3, which is going to give me 1 whole and 1/3. So the whole comes from this 3/3 that came out of this 4/3. That's where that whole came from. And then 1/3, 1/3. Okay. So let's look at the second part of the problem. How much tomato juice is needed if they each get 2/3 cups of juice? So this time they're each getting 2/3. So this person's going to get 1/3 and then 1/3 again. So that's 2/3. And the next person is going to get 1/3 and another 1/3, which is another 2/3. Then this person is going to get 1/3 and another 1/3. That's another 2/3. And then the last person is going to get 1/3 and another 1/3. So now this person has 2/3, this person has 2/3, this person has 2/3, and this person has 2/3. So the question asks, how much tomato juice is needed if they each get 2/3 cup of juice? So how much is this total? So I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And remember, the denominator stays the same, so 8/3. But this is also an improper fraction again, and we want to turn it into a mixed number. So how many thirds can I get out? How many wholes, can I get out of this? So let's look. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to a whole. So that's 1 whole. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to another whole. That's another whole. And then there are 2/3 left because there's no third whole to make it into a complete. There's no third to make it into a complete whole. So this will equal 2 wholes and 2/3. Okay. And I'll give you some more examples. 6 times 1/3, so it would be 6 times 1/3 is equal to 6/3. And if I was to turn it into if I was to change it from an improper fraction and turn it to a mixed number, it would be, let's see, 3/3 plus 3/3, which would equal 6/3, which will be 2. So there are 2 wholes and 6/3. So 1 whole is equal to 2 because there are 2 wholes. And then lastly, 8 times 1 over 5, and that would equal 8/5. And we're going to find out how many holes are in here. So it will equal 5/5 plus 3/5. So 5/5 is 1 whole, so that's going to be equal to 1 whole and then 3/5 left over. 1 whole and 3/5. That's it. Hope you understand and I hope you enjoy. Let me know. Thanks.